can use during any emergency or during any celebration. Like now in the next month, now in the December of 2021, my parents' 25th anniversary is there. So I have saved some of my monthly expenses month-wise, and I will be using it like that. So like that, all the family funds what I will be collecting, it will be used during any emergency or any celebration. Then every Saturday we will have a dinner, because as we are very busy in our lives, and currently we are also working from home, so we don't get that much of time with everyone because we are continuously on our laptops. So I feel that we should always have every Saturday dinner with our family, and that's my goal, that I will always have Saturday dinner with my family, even though I married and go to anybody, I mean, like I have a relationship and everything, after some years, that too I will follow this rule. Then in 2027 I will go with my parents for a world tour, and every year we will find out one new hobby which will be liked by all the family members, and we will decide on one day on which we will be exploring those hobbies what we have decided. And then we will have a family walks as well as long drives. Long drives is not possible in current situation, so we will have a long walks, because when we walk we will talk, and that's when we can share everything what we can not share in, like we will sit and then share. Better we will walk as well as we will share, so that our health is also maintained at that time. And then every day I will share my every day, we will sit together as a family, and we will share whatever is our time, like whatever we have spent for that day, how was our day and how was it, what we had learned from that day. Every 10 minutes we will discuss this with my family. That's what is my family goals. Now let's move on to our my health goals. I have divided my health goals into two, that is short term and long term. For short term, currently I am planning to lose my 30 kg weight, and I have already started eating good diet. So that is also mentioned in my second point. I will focus more on the exercise, and daily I will wake up early. Daily I will have 45 minutes of walk. That is very important. Breathing exercises in current situation is important, as well as for your long term it is really important. Then let's move on to the long term goals of mine. The weight what I have loosened up, I will maintain that weight. It's very important for our future, because if we are obese, many of the diseases catch us. So I feel we should always maintain our weight. Then I will practice good diet what I have decided of. Then I will practice yoga as well as meditation. It is really important. And by by Professor Satyamurthy ji also told us the importance of all the asanas and mudras. So I will make sure that I am practicing it daily. I will have a walk for 30 minutes daily, and I want to live a life drugless. Then let's move on to my learning goals. So in hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So the learning goals of mine, I have divided into the four. Uh, as it has been said that learning never go waste. So in 2024, I will be doing a professional digital marketing course. Then in 2026, I want to do a designing course, jewelry designing course. 2028 I will be going through a professional help with my shares thing, because in financial goal, as I have said, in 2030 I want to start with investing in shares, so I at least need 2 years to practice it. So and in 2029 I will as I'm a painting lover, I want to start charcoal painting workshops and all. I want to attain that. Then in 2030 I will be going through seminars and professional courses about entrepreneurship, because I feel it is very important when I am starting my business in 2042. What I have decided in my financial goal, it's really important that I get help from professional people. And then in social goals, I will be like in 2024 10% of my salary I will be saving to uh, help the needy, not just the children or every like the people who needs it, but I feel that even though if I invest something in my servants uh, daughters fees, it would be a great thing. Like for that I have decided that 10% of salary I will segregate aside, and 2029 I will make it 12%. And 2032 I have decided to help to the NGOs in their drives and the activities what they have they will be carrying out. And in 2042 I want to help in children upliftment and also do my services towards old age home. It's very important to do it, because they both of this category are very valuable people, and we should spend at least one day with them, because it's really important to understand what they have gone through and what we can do more for them. Then as you can see in center, I have placed myself, my picture, and I have written many things besides it, but the thing which you can see in focus is love yourself. As it has been taught in this session also, it is very important to love yourself, because when you love yourself, that time only others will understand the value of yours and they will like you as you are. Spend wisely, have a purpose in your life, help others. As it is also said, God helps those who helps others. So think big, work on your daily interactions. As we have also seen, self-talk is very important and we can practice it anytime. Plan daily, find things that motivates us, be productive, be positive. This is very important in current situation, that we have to be positive towards any changes, anything we are going through. We should never lose our hopes. Plan daily timetable. That is very important. When you organize your day well, then it goes well. Now you can see at the borders, I have written some words. So first I want to start with the word which is at the rightmost corner, that is belief. If you will believe in yourself and have that dedication in you, you will win it. That's what I believe. Then the commitment, a willingness to give your 100% time and energy to something that you believe is the commitment. Then through commitment you will lead to actions, which is at which I have written on the left hand side corner, action. Commitment leads to action and action brings your dream come true. And the confidence is something which is like inside you. It's like you should trust yourself first. Then you can see the ambition thing. Ambition is enthusiasm with a purpose, because when you want that purpose to be fulfilled, you should be very excited for that thing. Then the clarity is the moment we see without opening our eyes. Like this board, as you can see, I am clear what I have written and I want to achieve all this. And that's why if you tell me, you will wake me up from my sleep also, I can tell you where I have put what things in this board. So I want to end up with saying that nothing is impossible in this world, because in impossible word also it says I am possible. Thank you.